Praying for our peace of mind and our marriage. Well, praying for our marriage. Every marriage needs prayer.
Yeah.
It's just some don't maybe realize, you know, but there's always challenges and conflicts, and the enemy's always trying to disrupt. And just praying that we can really strengthen our foundation in the Lord. I know we've not been, in fellowship. We've not been in the Word regularly like we need to. Lots of distractions in life. And so just praying that we could find that our way back, to communing with Him regularly, seeking first His kingdom in all things. But down here, running out of space.
Ta-da! Ooh.
Right, use it.
Probably Dan used the extension cord.
I'll have to, we're fine.
Ginamit ni Dan yung extension cord para doon sa kabila. So, light sa kabila. At ito ngayon, si Angel ay nakadapa. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Tapos, ito yung display ko na ginawa ko some days ago. Hallelujah! Tapos alam nyo, hindi ako mahilig na mag-decor ng mga santa-santa. Kaya lang nakukyutan ako nito. So, binili ko na lang this one, these sets. I got this from my parents-in-law. Tapos, yan. Gusto ko yan kasi nagmamatch yung color niya dito. And then, tingnan nyo ito. Parang birthday cake. Pero actually, candle po yan. Na my gifts, my Christmas tree na pink. Ba, ang ganda. Yan, na-ek lang ba? Tapos, doon sa itaas, tada! Yan.
I know he didn't like using different.
At bibisitahin natin ang mga rose cuttings ko. Buhay pa ba kayo? Ooh. Alright, nag-sprout na sila, Medyo basa. Oh, kailangan kong lagyan ng tubig. Yeah, I need to water. Tapos yung mangga ko na 19 ukol-ukol pa yan, lalaki. But I'm happy with my roses. Kaya lang problema tinitong roses na ito, pag hindi mo agad i-replant kung saan siya dapat i-plant, namamatay. So it's kind of frustrating. But anyway, magma-water muna ako. But first, ilagay ko muna yung isang gift ko sa Christmas tree. Hi! Few days more at Christmas na! Woot, woot, woot! You're all I want for Christmas. At saka may binili ako. Ito. Kanino kaya ito mapupunta? Nagustuhan ko ito kasi siya para pang beach ba? Yan, no? Kaya lang tagaliig yung yung taas niya. Kaya kanino kaya ito mapupunta? And yung niya dito is this is loft. Yan. So, mahal itong loft na design. $89.95. But, kanino kaya ito mapupunta? Sino yung makakakuha ng regalo na ito? So, tingnan natin pagdating ng opening of gifts. Yan, meron pa ba akong bag? Kailangan ko ng Christmas bag. Wala na akong bags. Don't tell me. Hello, wala na akong bag. That only means one thing. I need to buy another one.
Another what?
I'm running out of Christmas bags.
Christmas bags? That's not a priority. Did you tell the viewers that's not a priority? To all the viewers, that's one of the low priorities, unfortunately. Where did you put my...
Anyway, the same person lang naman ang bibigyan ko nito. So, dito ko na lang ilagay yung gift niya. Sayang. Gusto ko sana, may isa ding different bag para parang feeling niya madami yung ma-receive niya na gift. Okay na ito. Alright. Kompleto na yung mga regalo ko. Oh, may isa pa pala na ano, na hindi ko pa siya napuputusan na wrapan ng Christmas gift. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, bigay ng neighbor namin dyan. Ang ganda-ganda. Ano kaya ito? Pero, pag Christmas ko na ito i-open. Tapos, pag matapos na lahat ito, tapos nag-cleaning na, magbibake kami ng aking mga pamangkin dito ng sugar cookies para ipamigay namin sa aming mga neighbors. So, I'm excited. Thank you for watching. Mwah!
Oh, we put it up here too. See? My goodness, huh?
Oh, he finished that? Cool.
I don't know. Yeah, we might have to. Oh, hold on a second. I don't know if that's.
Ang dami pang dapat gawin.
Oh, I
Tingnan
see.
nyo.
Okay.
We need to clean everything. Can we put that thingy thing here?
I see. It's not in yet. It just basically.
Can we put that over here?
That's
Yan
basically
yung
what-
mahiwaga kong banga. Can you say mahiwagang banga?
Oh, it's too late for that. Too late in the day.
Just say,
Kawagi
my-
maga magumba.
In the what?
Kawagi
my-
maga magumba.
In the what? What did you say?
I don't know.
What? Huh? Mahiwagang
Mahiwagan kabula.
kabula. Mahiwagang banga.
Oh, no. Okay,
So I might like put like Christmas lights inside. That would be cute.
let me put up the stuff outside that's already come down, okay?
Okay, thank
All your
you.
stuff, and then you can work on cleaning the floor, please.
I don't like to clean because it would still go back same thing.
Can you bring the
Tingnan
vacuum
nyo.
over here so I can vacuum, please?
I'm lazy. So, yung mga maliliit na mga kailangan gagawin, like yung mga trims dyan, around the doors, tapos, doon, tapos na. Kaya lang, kailangan ko i-transfer ang sari-sari store ko. Kasi maliit lang kasi yung space dito. So, sabi ni Cory na, tingnan nyo naman. Sabi ni Cory, kailangan maliit lang na cabinet ilagay dito. So, ita-transfer ko ito dun sa aming master bath. Tapos, I'm kind of frustrated because bumili ako ng napakaganda. Diba sabi ko sa inyo before na may surprise ako sa inyo. Napakaganda na faucet ba na pag i-on mo, magli-lit up siya. Sabi ni Cory, may connections. Kasi ewan ko kung saan lupalop yun galing. Dinala nila doon sa hardware store. Tapos pinakita nila, meron ba kayong connection nito? Wala. Wala talaga. So, hindi nila ma-install. Kasi that one was made probably, I don't know, kung saan galing yun. So, yan na po. Pretty much this room here is already done except dito kailangan ko pang lagyan ito. So, yan na lang. Tapos na itong half bath na ito. Tapos, dito sa office ni Cory / bedroom. Yan. Tapos na din. Kailangan lang i-install yung mga globes dyan. So, okay na ito. Kailangan lang linisin. Everything needs to be linised. Linis-linis din tayo pag may time. Kaya lang, pag naglilinis ka ngayon, bukas, pagdating ni Dan, yun, magkakarpentero na naman siya. Napakaano na naman. So, basically, yung kulang namin is, yun, yung bathroom, mga kunting tiles, tapos, kitchen. Yan. And then, railings here. Tapos kaunting dyan, cabinet. And then, the main floor is done. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming laundry. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kataas yung namin. Washer and dryer combination. Yan Parang hanggang sa langit. Kasi sa ilalim is washer, tapos sa taas is dryer. Tapos, I still have ample of space in here. Lalagyan ko ito ng, dito ko kaya ilalagay yung sari-sari store ko. Tingnan natin. Tapos, yung mga coats ko, dyan ko ilagay. Yeah. It's getting there. Hallelujah. It's getting there. Kaya lang tamad na akong maglinis kasi dami pang construction gagawin doon at sinasabi nila bakit ka kasi nag-display, ganun talaga ang buhay. Yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin, kaya ako nagkakarpentera because after that ito yung nagbibigay sa akin ng satisfaction, yung mga decorations.